Hello friends, and welcome to Money Wisdom Hub, where we bring you all kinds of money related topics in a simple way. NFTs are so hot right now and can be a bit confusing at times. So we're going to start with the basics of what an NFT is, what they do, and why people are buying them. And then we'll learn how to make money with them. And hey, some NFTs are selling for tens of thousands of dollars right now. So this video may help you understand what's going on, and you may be the next big NFT millionaire. That'd be pretty cool. But first off, what is an NFT? For those new to the concept of NFTs, consider them tradable digital receipts stored on a publicly distributed database known as a blockchain that's openly accessible and can be verified independently. These digital receipts contain unique information that can be used to prove who the sole owners of certain items are, whether they be tangible or intangible. However, it's important to keep in mind that NFTs don't store the digital entity they represent. Instead, they just direct you to the file's location, which is elsewhere on the internet. Moreover, NFTs can't be traded in the same manner as Bitcoins, since no two items they represent are ever the same. This is why they are referred to as non-fungible tokens. In short, these are digital tokens that can be claimed or bought as certificates for physical or virtual assets. Let's now turn to the main query: how to make money with NFTs. NFTs are all over the internet these days, and everybody's just raving about them. Creators and investors have amassed astonishing sums of money that have changed their lives completely, like the $69.3 million in sales of Beeple's NFT earlier this year shook the internet and transformed the way people thought about digital collectibles. Everyone is now rushing to get their feet wet in order to catch this wave. But don't worry if you've been watching from the sidelines, unsure of where to start. The boat hasn't sailed far yet. Here, we've compiled a list of a few potential ways to profit from NFTs. In the first place, we have digital works of art, i.e., selling your creations and services as NFTs. Do you consider yourself to be a creative person? If that's the case, being a creator is one of the most popular ways to make money with NFTs. With NFTs, you may turn your passion into income right from your living room. As a creator, you can offer your clients a digital replica of your physical work in the form of an NFT. However, the NFT includes smart contract capabilities, allowing you to include whatever perks or terms you desire. Moreover, when it comes to sheer profitability, individual NFT artworks are by far the most valuable NFTs ever created. So go ahead, you're only limited by your imagination. Licensed collectibles is another way of potential earning through NFTs. Tokenizing collectibles appears to be the most logical and obvious use of NFT technology. Brands that formerly sold physical collectibles, such as trading cards, can now sell the same thing digitally. But due to the proven rarity of NFTs, the price of a digital trading card might be significantly more than the price of its physical counterpart. Sports cards have been by far the most popular sort of licensed NFT collectible so far. The inaugural NFT sports card project allowed users to trade licensed footballer cards, but the NBA has lately created its own NFT cards collection. Other sports organizations are likely to follow suit soon, and fans will be able to purchase baseball or hockey NFT cards as well. However, sports cards are just one example of what NFTs can be used for. Any physical collectible can also be turned into a non-fungible token. Unlike conventional trading cards, which can readily get damaged, NFTs may be securely stored on the blockchain and will never lose quality. Let's now check out NFT gaming. NFT-based video games have the potential to be the future of NFT technology. So far, none of the games that use NFTs have gained broad appeal, but the potential of using NFTs in video games appears enormous. Gamers are already known to spend large sums of money on virtual products. World of Warcraft Gold, Call of Duty loot boxes, and Counter-Strike skins are all already worth billions of dollars. If a large video game business decides to sell in-game items as NFTs, the impact on both the gaming and blockchain ecosystems will be massive. It's also worth noting that NFT video game developers are among the most forward-thinking non-fungible token creators, and NFT in-game products could accelerate the progress of non-fungible technology. In-game NFTs are significantly more advanced than basic digital trade cards or even more interactive NFTs like virtual pieces of art. Non-fungible tokens in video games can be quite sophisticated and fully interactive, and they can evolve over time, for example, by being upgraded or rising alongside the player's character. Getting a job in the NFT space. is another way of making money. With the countless number of NFT projects, as well as the companies who wish to incorporate this technology now and in the near future, many jobs will be created in the process. NFTs will open up positions such as designers, developers, marketers, and influencers to help support their brand and ensure these digital assets provide the best value to their consumers. As non-fungible tokens become more widely accepted and integrated into our daily lives, the opportunities and potential for working as part of a team creating NFTs also improve. Moreover, you can also trade by investing in NFT startups. You can invest in NFTs by buying them and selling them at a profit. And to tell you the truth, investing in NFTs is one of the most intriguing and fun ways to generate income. However, not all NFTs are created equal. Some are worth millions, while some are basically worthless. As a collector, you need to look at a piece with a critical eye for the prospects of making money in a future resale. With investing, there are many ways one could go about doing it. You can invest either short-term or long-term, and even do a mixture of the two techniques. Short-term NFT investing is similar to day trading stocks, except more fun. When investing in short-term NFTs, you have to understand what the market is doing and where the attention is being traded. This way, you're able to buy low and then resell for a quick profit. Long-term NFT investing, on the other hand, may be a good way to build wealth and can be considered similar to investing in a 401k, but maybe even riskier at this point in time due to how early we still are in the world of digital assets. And of course, you can do a mixture of these two investing strategies as well. If you find yourself to be a successful day trader, you can flip your NFT investments for a quick profit. Buy up to a higher valued NFT and continue that cycle until you have the liquidity to invest in a long-term project with a higher value. Here, you can also earn royalties from your NFTs. Using the creator share feature on whatever platform you're using to sell your NFTs is one of the easiest and scalable ways to create a passive flow of revenue. Rather than selling your NFTs for once, this feature allows you to receive a percentage of the revenues every time it's sold. Royalties are paid automatically through smart contracts. Further, you can even earn rewards by staking NFTs. Now, what's staking? It's basically the process of holding digital assets in the form of a stake and assigning them to people willing to maintain their upkeep in the crypto world. In exchange, they give you a share of the reward. Our Planet is one of the formats where you can stake your NFTs to gain rewards and incentives. Let's now get to know about providing liquidity to earn NFTs. Thanks to the ongoing integration of NFTs and DeFi infrastructures, it's become possible to provide liquidity and receive NFTs in return to establish your position in a given liquidity pool. Here, we might not forget to discuss NFT-powered yield farming. Users can now farm for yields using NFT-powered products since NFTs are fast becoming a core component of AMMs. Yield farming refers to the method of leveraging multiple DeFi protocols in order to generate the highest possible yield with the digital assets you have. Last but not least, you can also make money by renting out your NFTs. If you don't want to sell your NFTs right away, your NFTs shouldn't remain idle in your wallet as well. Now you can rent them out for more than a sliver of their original value. Talking about the future of NFTs, like most blockchain experiments, the future is relatively unknown. However, prominent publications indicate that NFTs aren't going away anytime soon. Though the big fish continue pouring more money into NFTs, they're becoming more mainstream. At the moment, gaming, trading collectibles, and creating NFTs might be setting the pace, but there will be more ways in which you can make money through them. And just like in any other investment, there are some risks. Remember to research widely and invest wisely. So that's it for today, guys. Hope you found it useful and interesting. Now, are you interested in making money with NFTs? If so, then which way would you like to try? Do share your thoughts with us in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thank you so much, guys, for watching, and we'll see you in the next video with more from Money Wisdom Hub. Don't forget to like and share this video, do subscribe to our channel, and turn on the notifications as well. Time to sign off. Take care, folks. Goodbye.